When it comes to upgrading your FJ Cruiser, there are modifications that are just about looks, and then there are upgrades that actually enhance performance, protection, and overall capability. The Car Accessories Steel Bumper Beam and Bull Bar Body Kit for 2007 and newer FJ Cruiser models is firmly in the latter category. It's not just a cosmetic change, it's a functional upgrade that offers improved durability, off-road performance, and an aggressive aesthetic. The first thing that grabs attention is the construction. Built from high-quality steel, this bumper beam and bull bar combination is engineered to withstand impacts that standard factory bumpers simply can't. Whether it's minor collisions in urban environments or rugged off-road encounters, this kit provides an extra layer of security. Having that steel reinforcement in place changes how you approach driving, offering confidence that your front end is better protected. Durability is a major selling point. The powder-coated finish doesn't just look sleek, it adds a protective layer against corrosion, rust, and environmental damage. Rain, mud, sand, or snow won't compromise the structural integrity or appearance of the kit. Unlike cheaper alternatives that degrade after a few seasons, this steel bumper beam and bull bar is built for longevity and consistent performance, even under tough conditions. Another standout feature is the precision fit. This body kit is specifically designed for 2007 plus FJ Cruiser models, so it aligns perfectly with the existing frame and mounting points. Pre-drilled holes make installation smoother and reduce the need for modifications. While professional installation is always an option, most enthusiasts will find it manageable with common tools and some patience. A second set of hands can make the process faster, but the kit's user-friendly design makes it accessible to most DIYers. The visual impact is undeniable. The bull bar adds an aggressive, rugged appearance to the FJ Cruiser's front end, elevating the vehicle's presence on the road and trails. It's a bold design choice that communicates readiness and toughness. Whether parked or moving, this upgrade transforms the look of the vehicle and makes a statement about capability and adventure. Beyond aesthetics, the kit adds a layer of safety. Off-road driving or urban navigation can expose the front end to hazards, and the steel bumper beam helps absorb impacts that would otherwise damage critical components. While it doesn't replace careful driving, it provides a meaningful level of protection, potentially reducing repair costs and increasing safety for occupants. Modularity is another advantage. Unlike one-piece bumper solutions that can complicate repairs or upgrades, this body kit is designed for flexibility. Components can be replaced individually if damaged, or additional accessories such as LED light bars, winches, and tow hooks can be integrated easily. This versatility makes the kit a long-term investment that can adapt to changing needs and vehicle modifications. For off-road enthusiasts, the functionality is significant. The bull bar guides obstacles away from the vehicle's front end, while the steel bumper beam adds structural support. When traversing rocks, mud, or uneven terrain, this combination provides extra confidence, ensuring that the vehicle is better prepared to handle unexpected challenges. It's a practical addition that complements the FJ Cruiser's adventurous design. Maintenance is straightforward. Steel is easy to clean, and the powder coating protects against scratches, fading, and rust. Routine washing and inspections are all that's needed to keep the kit looking and performing at its best. This low-maintenance design is especially valuable for drivers who frequently use their FJ Cruiser in off-road or harsh conditions. The addition of this body kit also subtly changes the driving experience. The extra weight at the front offers a slightly more planted feel, while the visual and functional upgrades enhance confidence behind the wheel. Driving the vehicle with the steel bumper and bull bar installed feels different, more secure, more capable, and more ready for whatever lies ahead. While cost is always a factor, the value proposition is strong. The combination of steel construction, powder-coated finish, precision engineering, and modular design outweighs the price. This isn't a disposable accessory, it's a durable, high-quality upgrade that adds both style and function. For vehicle enthusiasts who take off-roading seriously or simply want a more capable and rugged look, it's an investment that pays off over time. Before installation, verifying compatibility with your specific FJ Cruiser year is crucial. The kit is designed for 2007 and newer models, and following manufacturer guidelines ensures a proper fit. Proper installation maximizes performance, safety, and aesthetic impact. Once installed, the bumper beam and bull bar blend seamlessly with the vehicle's design while offering robust protection. The impact of this upgrade is multidimensional. It enhances safety, durability, and visual presence while offering the flexibility to add accessories. Whether you're tackling trails, navigating urban streets, or heading out on weekend adventures, This kit provides meaningful benefits that elevate the overall driving experience. The Bull Bar contributes significantly